Did you know that if you're a veteran or a widow spouse of a veteran, you may qualify for a tax-free VA pension? The VA offers this benefit, but it doesn't bother to publicize the program, and if you do happen to stumble upon it, the VA makes it virtually impossible for you to qualify. There are 5 hurdles you must clear. First, the veteran must have served at least 90 days of active duty, and at least one of those days must have been during wartime. Secondly, the vet must be honorably discharged. Next, your doctor must fill out a VA medical form stating that you either need help with 2 activities of daily living or you're having cognitive difficulties. The 4th hurdle is tricky. There is a myth that your assets cannot be over $50,000 for a single person or $80,000 for a married couple. The truth, however, the VA uses a complicated formula, so in reality, those numbers can be much less. The 5th hurdle is that your income after subtracting recurring medical expense is less than the pension amount you are seeking. After listening to these requirements, it sounds impossible to get this benefit. And it is without having a knowledgeable guide. We can guide you through the asset and income qualifications and get you this pension benefit. We've gotten this benefit for several dozen clients who are either denied by the VA or told there's no reason to even apply. If you are a vet or a widow of a vet, you have several thousand reasons to give me a call.